Hello, my name is Lawrence Williamson. This is my icon. I have a channel which features mostly created playlists. This is what I can see from my computer using the Chrome browser. I noticed that when you go to playlists, this tab, it says no playlist. However, if you go to home, you'll see them. There's different categorizations I use. It is called, in the studio, featured sections. Sometimes I'll change these. I've created recently over 11,000 playlists. I think I have more than 9,000 that I've created. Under created playlists are my latest. And you click on the created playlist, it'll refresh. Also, I have a few videos, but that's not my main activity. I've been doing this for quite a number of years. Some of my playlists are, well, you can't find them here. Well, you can now, after you've gone to home. Let's see what else I can tell you. Mostly I do music, but sometimes other topics. I've done this for quite a number of years. Let's see what I can find. I thought there was a search field. I don't see it. There it is. If I hit history, maybe. I've done a lot about history, United States history. It's one way to access my playlists that are not strictly musical. You can also access using dates. Let's see, 2000 in music. There you go. More than one. If you want to send a playlist to your phone using the Chrome, this works. Send it to your iPhone. I don't really care about subscriptions. I'm not in this for anything other than my own entertainment and to educate other people about certain topics that I consider worthy of publicly expounding upon. And I think that's about all I have to say for right now. If I can find the off button.